In this QD3000 video, we're going to show a new feature called Partial Batch, available in display version 3.47 and newer. To begin, we're going to go to the Run screen, and we're going to select our recipe. The recipe that I'm going to use today is called Corn Pre-Plant. I'm going to select it. I have area selected up here, and I need to do 25 acres. At 10 gallon the acre, that makes my batch size 250 gallon. Partial batch allows an operator to pause and terminate a batch before completing it without having to worry about how much carrier or product has already been loaded or dispensed. For example, today we have a 250 gallon batch. Partway through, I'm going to simulate a scenario where I identify a leak while filling the sprayer. I will pause, then terminate a batch. At this point, a black and gray PB icon will show up to the right of the recipe. After I fix my leak, I will tap that gray and black icon. It'll illuminate green. Doing this will take the original total batch of 250 gallons, including carrier and products, and subtract the amount that has already been dispensed. This allows me to quickly finish filling my sprayer or complete my initial batch with confidence that I have the correct amount of carrier and product. To begin, I'm going to press start. First, it's going to load in my preload, 20 gallon. Then, it's going to ask me to load my AMS product. Loaded that. After it completes the link, it's going to proceed on to Q4D. I've noticed I got a leak, so I'm going to hit pause. Terminate my batch. You'll notice that the PB symbol's right here. I fixed my leak. I'm going to tap PB. It's going to go green. It's decreased my carrier volume as well as my product volume. My total batch size is now 195 gallon. I'm going to press start. It's going to resume filling up the sprayer. Right now, load my Q4D. Completed that, it's going to do a rinse. On to the light stage. Load 5.1 gallons of that. Now we're doing a rinse. Now we're loading in the third product. Upon completing that, we're going to do a longer rinse cycle. After we completed that rinse cycle, we're going to go ahead and finish loading our carrier product. Watch and count up here, as well as down here at the axle. When it gets to 184 gallons, it'll shut off, and then a screen will pop up onto over top of this. Partial batch was run, reverting to previous recipe. You'll notice that to the right of recipe, the P and B is gone, and we've gone back to our original batch size of 250 gallons. We've now completed a partial batch utilizing the QD3000 and the 3.47 display firmware.